What's going on, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. Kind of driving right now and pulling into a car meet at Markham Park with a guest, actually. And it's a little Asphalt Kings park up meet, if I'm not mistaken. I'm actually following some Volkswagen in right now, but yeah. As always, I always say this at the beginning of my videos, guys. You guys should know this by now. Make sure and like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you guys have any questions, I'll make sure and answer them. And I'll get right back to you guys in a minute. Just pulling in here right now. You gotta start because I didn't hit record.
I already hit record.
There's a good amount of cars here, guys. By the way, thank you, Mikey, for filming.
Got you, dog.
Appreciate that. Should we pull in the park?
I'm still recording right now. 18.
Alright, y'all, so we out here. We're gonna walk around with Mikey. Here's Mikey. This is who was filming for me, you know. So we're gonna walk around. We're gonna see what we see really quick. Pulling in, he's not making any noise. Oh, damn. Sorry. Looks pretty. Didn't sound pretty pulling in though. Another Jenny next to it. Another Jenny next to that. Another Jenny next to that.
Why can't my wife want a monitor? Sweet.
Your wife will eventually start modding her car when you're able to pay for it when it breaks. Look, they got a DJ booth over there and all that. Yep.
It's a collab, bro. Look at the shirt.
As always, y'all go follow Sonic BRZ. Supra. Dr. Cotton. I know all of you guys know who Dr. Cotton is. Sorry, YouTube. Can't do anything about the music. It's not mine. See this EP3 everywhere now. I don't know. That's clean, whatever it is, though.
Yeah, for real.
Oh, he's out here. You guys, I already did a video on this one. You should remember this, but this is a much better video. It's daytime now. I know I can video all up on this. He won't get mad. I know him. So this is the one that you guys saw at the BK meet. Built motor, big turbo. He's still working out all the kinks on it.
Where you parked?
The owner right here of the big turbo 2J G35. I parked over there. I did not pay to park inside. Sorry. Wasn't happening. I thought about it, and then I was like, nah, not happening.
Wow, my club blew up. Still part of the club. I just gotta get my fucking wheels back.
Stop cursing.
Oh, my bad. You can't have that shit, man.
Oh my lord, modified chicks. This chick.
What's up?
This thing though.
He always cuts me out of his video.
This thing.
All the time. He's like,
Because you always do something to make me cut you out of it.
you don't want people to know that you like this dick? What?
It is just so gorgeous. Alright, so we got an Audi on boost, but we know that he's not hooking because he's got wire showing on the outside part of them tires right there. Wire. And Jenny rolling in. Parking up next to all the other Jenny's. So I just came across somebody else who wants to get a little shout out.
Yo, http.felipe.
There you go, it's Instagram. Go give him a shout out, y'all. Out here at Asphalt King. Yo, these boys have grown. I remember them when there was like 7 members. And now they're throwing some massive news, bro. This is crazy. Well, on another tip, I don't think they are having a very good day. They were just trying to do some fishing, sir. Oh no, they're riding wave runners. Oh man. Oh man. Well, sucks to be them.
Hey there, bud. Down here, you.
Little outside footage. See how many cars, how many Mopars there really is. Y'all realize, like, if you were just driving down this road right here, like just driving down this road, you would swear that you're driving past a Dodge Carmi. Like, honestly and truly. You would swear.
But on the inside,
But on the inside, looks, yeah.
Looks are very deceiving.
There you go.
Yeah.
That sounded nice.
That's sweet. That's what the new Supra's gonna sound like.
This man found a baseball, and now he's all intrigued with the baseball. Look at him.
You want it?
No. Bastard. This guy, there'll be a nice vlog, a few videos coming up with this guy's car right here. What is it, Mikey? Give us some info.
2008 FA5. I want to say it's FA5 because it's American USDM. But yeah, it's full bolt-ons, Stone 2 alpha headers, 3-inch exhaust. Put a stock fan back on it. It was too loud. Full body suspension all the way around. I believe there's Stone 2 Pro 2s. That's how I got the car. I'm about to put the tranny back in it.
And along with the tranny, we're not going to tell you guys, but we got some secrets coming along with it. So look forward to those videos because obviously the thumbnail will be the secret parts. So you guys look forward to that one.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's coming back out strong.
But they don't get really fast.
No,
They're the only ones.
I couldn't see myself ever driving one either.
Yeah, not me.
Ever.
Nah.
Ever. No matter how nasty they can sound, I could never get myself to drive one of those aparts. Look at it. Just look at it. I would quicker drive a Volkswagen Beetle.
It looks like an egg.
I would quicker drive a Volkswagen Beetle.
Yeah.
Honestly. That shit is ugly.
Egg.
Oh.
Whoa.
I don't know what he's scraping or dragging or what, but that does not sound good.
He's scraping or dragging. He's squeaking, dog.
That does not sound good
That's
whatsoever. Oh, this is actually my neighbor. He just lowered this. Just lowered this, put some full bodies on it. He's got wheels on the way. If I'm not mistaken, the RPF ones. I could be wrong. But yeah, I know. It is. I could put that. I could get the JDM front from my car. I know somebody that's got it for sale. But I'd rather save that money and put it somewhere else. As a matter of fact, this dude right here is the one that has it for sale. So yeah, if you know anybody that is looking for one, yeah, he's actually the owner right there. Whole bunch of Mopars. Like, y'all, there's Mopars here for days. I think there's more Mopars here than there was at Cars and Coffee the other day. There's a few Mustangs in the mix, but legit, like, straight Mopars. Oh my lord. I could fast forward this video through this and then there'll still be a lot of Mopars. That's the funny part. Y'all, I don't think you understand. $3.92 scat. Ever heard that song? Hellcat, no scat pack got the demon too. See, times like this, I wish I would have brought my GoPro. Hey! This guy!
How you been?
Good, bro. How you been?
Pretty good.
Oh, this guy. Look at him. Sub in the back and all. Watch out. Times like this, I wish I would have brought the GoPro. So, for all the people that VIP parked and paid to park inside, cool. When you go to spectator parking, it's when you see the real big boys. Okay? Clearly, he does not care to spectator park. He cares to spectator digs though, or rolls any day of the week with that tire on the back. And let's do this one more time right here. Bum. No need a spectator park. Sorry. Goodness gracious. And that's truth. Yeah. This dude wins awards all the time. Car is so pretty though. Car is really pretty. And we got a Mach 1, bro. Never see these out. Is that a SI over there? Yep. IS. Start off with some beauties. Goodness gracious. Moose, where are you at? I need some Dino Day flyers for these people that don't know about Dino Day next weekend. Goodness. This is awesome. It's a nice meet. Another lineup. Back shot of that Supra though. And that Audi. This guy, look at him. Look at him. Dr. Cotton. Car is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. No problem. What, Cameron over there? Boy over there, Cameron. Yo, is that fucking is that what's his name that has the 4-door? Hector. Alright, so we are definitely gonna hop in the car for a second and get some AC, see if it picks up some more cars pull in, whatnot, because it is definitely really hot, and I definitely pretty much filmed everything that's already been here.
Look at that. Look at that. Cook your forehead.
Oh yeah, cook my forehead. Go ahead. You see what a nice friend I have? You see what a nice friend I have? Man wants to cook my forehead. Good gracious. But yeah, we'll be right back with you guys. Hopefully it picks up, and if it doesn't, then I'll have to film an outro after this. If not, I'll be right back. Well, on another tip, I don't think they are having a very good day. They were just trying to do some fishing, sir. Oh no, they're riding wave runners. Oh man. Oh man. Well, sucks to be them.
Hey there, buddy. Down here, you. Hey.
Alright guys, so obviously you can tell that we're back at the house, we're back in the garage, cars in the garage. The meat was pretty good. Usually Asphalt King's meats are a lot bigger than that, so I expected a little more cars, hence the reason I started to film. But I figured, why not, you know, footage is footage. You guys get to see stuff that not everybody else gets to see. You know, I see things that you guys don't get to see, so that's why I film it. Hopefully you guys like the video. There will be some future mods coming for this, and also Mikey that was in the video earlier, he's got an FA5 SI, full bolts on like he was saying, so we also have some things coming for that. It's been sitting for probably like 6 months or so, so it's about time he gets it back on the road. We got a whole bunch of goodies lined up for it, so look forward to those videos. I may not be able to film it all because our schedules are different, but either way, you guys will see each mod that's going on the car, whether I film it when it's going on the car or after it's already on the car, you guys will still get to see it. But as always, make sure and like, subscribe, comment if you guys have any questions at all. I'll make sure and get to them as soon as I can if they're important or anything like that. If there's anything that you guys would like to see, you know, please comment. I know there's not a lot of you guys, but eventually there will be. So the ones that are here now, if you're going to stick with me, it'll be awesome. If you guys like to see anything, please shoot me a comment, shoot me a message on Instagram, anything like that. As always, don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and have a nice day.